How do I look, Mary?
Laundry day. Man, you gonna wash clothes today? Oh. So I'm trying to push this ball around with my camera, what do you call this thing? My camera extender. This ball is kind of heavy. Stop it. Get it. Zoe's like, what are you doing? Good girl. Don't carry it off. I want to play with it. Stop it. Haha, I got it. Good girl. No! Now look at you. Now I gotta go get that. I have to go get it. Oh, make me do work. Watch out, man. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. So let's see if I can hit it over to Zoe. I'm gonna be at this all day. Zoe, here's your ball. Here. Okay, no, not quite at you yet. Okay, wait. Get it. Good girl. Okay, you don't want to play with it. You'd rather be put in a headlock by the cat, huh? Okay. Alright. Okay. Ha! Now you have no choice but to play with me now. Look, Zoe. Look at the ball. Get it. Not my stick. So you'd rather play with the cat again, huh? Look at me here. She's doing it. How you can't get me thing again? I have a stand. Okay. Are you eating pork chops?
Yeah.
Oh, well, he's cooking dinner. Derrick's cooking dinner for us.
As soon as it thaws out.
What are you gonna cook? Pork chops and what?
I'm cooking pork chops.
What else?
And scalloped potatoes.
Yes.
Corn.
Oh, and corn? Oh, yes.
Where's my corn?
Yeah, I don't eat corn.
What?
I can't eat corn on the cob.
Why'd you just say yes?
I don't know why. Just the excitement, I
You eat
guess.
this corn.
What
It's
corn?
been up there for like a year.
Why are you gonna feed me corn that's been in the cabinet for 3 years? Huh.
We've been here for 3 years.
Oh, no, we haven't. Y'all, I'm not showing my face right now because I look straight ratchet.
How do I look, Mary?
She said swole. She up there trying to figure out what she want to mess with first. Ah, don't you do it. Don't you do it, ma'am. She gonna attack the top of my head. So Derrick pretty much does all the cooking. And he cleans and everything else. I just supervise. You season them chops. Ooh, look at him seasoning them chops. Yes, he's sitting here waiting on something to drop. And when it falls, she ain't gonna see it. He's making a pouch. And he adds water in the pan. Why you adding water in the pan? Oh.
Set it, then forget it.
She's free for 3 minutes. Still working on potty training, so we letting her run free for like 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're gonna have to go take her to the bathroom, but leash her back up because Yeah, she like to get from back there. She likes to try us. Like try it. She really tries to try it. Woo. Hey y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, be sure to subscribe if you already hadn't. I post videos every Monday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all Friday. Later!